Hello guys, today I am at a Great Faith Gathering by TKT Church. So let's dive into the video. Hello guys, I'm blessed today, and if you want to join us, please follow TKT Church Insta handle, and you will get your nearest church. And please join us every Sunday. And thank you.